Welcome to HomePantry Pro. If you are anything like me, you love the convenience of a slow cooker, but you absolutely dread the cleanup. Scrubbing burnt, crusty, and greasy residue off a heavy ceramic pot is probably the least favorite part of the entire cooking process. Today, I am taking a deep dive into these 100-pack slow cooker liners to see if they are the ultimate kitchen hack you have been waiting for. Let us start with the specs. You get 100 count in the box, and these liners measure 13 by 21 inches. This sizing is quite versatile because it is designed to fit slow cookers ranging from 3 quarts all the way up to 8 quarts. Whether you have a smaller round pot or a larger oval one, these should accommodate your equipment without any major issues. The biggest concern people usually have with plastic liners is safety and durability. These are made from a premium nylon blend and are completely BPA-free. Most importantly, they are rated to withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means they are perfectly safe for long simmering times, whether you are making a stew, a roast, or even a dessert. The material is notably thick, which is a major advantage. It is designed to be puncture-resistant, so if you are cooking with bone-in meat or harder ingredients, you do not have to worry about the liner ripping and leaking juice into your pot. Now, let us talk about the usability. One of my favorite features is the efficiency they offer. Because these bags are thin enough, you can actually use 2 of them at once. This effectively allows you to cook 2 separate dishes in one slow cooker. Imagine prepping a savory chili in one side and a sweet dessert in the other. It is a fantastic way to maximize your meal prep time. The envelope-style design of the packaging also makes them incredibly easy to store in your kitchen drawer without taking up too much room. When it comes to the pros, the clear winner is the time you save. Getting rid of the liner means the cleanup is basically non-existent. You simply lift it out, throw it away, and you are done. The cons are relatively minor, but it is worth noting that if you are trying to be completely waste-free in your kitchen, these will not align with that lifestyle since they are single-use disposables. However, for the busy professional or a parent who just wants one less thing to clean after a long day, the convenience factor is undeniable. In conclusion, these slow cooker liners are a simple, reliable, and effective tool that does exactly what it claims to do. They protect your cookware, simplify your cleanup, and stand up well to the heat. If you are tired of scrubbing your slow cooker after every single use, this is a very small investment that pays off in saved time and reduced effort. Link in the description.